WEL-CENTRE, your companion in education.
Hello, super readers! Welcome back to our phonics class. Today, we're going to continue learning about the magic E. Remember, when the letter E hides at the end of a word, it works like magic. It makes the vowel A say its own name, the long A sound. Let's see the magic again. Okay, look at this word. Can. K-a-n. Can. The letter A says its short sound. Ah. Say it with me. Can. Great! Now watch. I'm going to add a magic E at the end. Now the A says its long sound. A. And we get the word K. Ain. Cane. Say it with me. Cane. Excellent! Now let's meet the AIM family. When we put N in front as the sound N, the word becomes N, aim. Say the word after me. Name. Now, let's add the letter G as the sound G. The word becomes G, aim. Say the word after me. Game. Let's say them all together. Name, game. Fantastic! Now let's meet the 8 family. When we put G in front as the sound G, the word becomes G. 8. Say the word after me. Gate. Now, let's add the letter D as the sound D. The word becomes D. 8. Say the word after me. Date. Let's say them together. Gate. Date. Awesome reading. Next, the AIN family. When we put C in front as the sound K, the word becomes K. Ain. Say the word after me. Cane. Now, let's add the letter M as the sound M. The word becomes M. Ain. Say the word after me. Main. Let's say them together. Cane. Main. Excellent job. Finally, let's meet the ACE family. When we put B in front as the sound B, the word becomes B. Ace. Say the word after me. Base. Now, let's add the letter C in front as the sound K. The word becomes K. Ace. Say the word after me. Case. Let's say them together. Base. Case. Wonderful. Let's read all the words together. Name. Game. Gate. Date. Cane. Main. Base. Case. You're doing an amazing job reading magic E words. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, when the magic E is at the end, the vowel says its own name. See you in our next phonics lesson, super readers. Bye-bye.